In the tree at the left side of the window, the available disk drives are shown. In this example, there are a number of licenses on the C drive. Select one or more to transfer. Select the License Key menu. Then choose Transfer. Click the drop-down button to browse to the target drive. In this example, we will transfer the license to a removable drive. Click OK. Let's take a look at the target drive. Here is the license that we transferred. Transferring licenses from a removable drive works the same way. Select one or more licenses to be transferred. Select the License Key menu again and choose Transfer. Browse to the target drive. We will send this license back to the C drive. Click OK. Highlight the C drive. The first license is the one that was transferred from the removable drive back to the C drive. To transfer all licenses, select a single license, press and hold the Control key plus the A key to select all. Click the License menu. Choose Transfer. Select the target drive and choose OK. All licenses will then be transferred to that drive. This concludes the video on transferring licenses with Automation License Manager.